One of the biggest mistakes people make with GoHighLevel is signing up and then trying to learn everything in just a couple of weeks. There's a lot inside the platform, and it takes time to really understand how all the pieces work together. That's why I've included a special sign-up link below this video. When you use that link, you'll get access to an extended 30-day trial, giving you more time to explore the platform at your own pace. During that month, you can build funnels, create websites, set up automations, organize your contacts, launch marketing campaigns, and test the features that are most important to you. Instead of feeling rushed, you'll have enough time to actually put the software to work. The sign-up process is straightforward. Just click the link below, enter your information, and follow the setup instructions. Once your account is ready, you can start exploring everything GoHighLevel has to offer. I've also included some additional bonuses for viewers who use that trial link. Rather than listing them all here, I've added the details in the description so you can take a look after the video. So if you're interested in trying GoHighLevel, use the link below to activate your extended trial, check out the bonus resources, and see firsthand whether the platform is right for you.